In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can make up to $40 per hour just by sitting on a computer. And yeah, it works worldwide. Coming up. So hello there, my name is Nyxson, and on this channel we teach you everything online business. So if you're new here, just consider subscribing because we are going to drop a lot of valuable video just for you in order to make just some quick and not maybe easy but still a good enough money for you to live off and just make your dreams come true by being your own boss. So in this video, this quick video will be all about making up to $40 per hour just by sitting on a computer and typing some stuff. It's extremely easy way to make money, and it works worldwide. No matter where you are, it works worldwide. All you need to have actually is only a PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, I don't think that this website will pay you, but you can check it out by yourself. Just as far as I know, all you need to have is a PayPal account. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. So website we are using here is called Transcribeme, and as you could understand by the name of it, it means that you are going to make money by transcribing some stuff, some audios. What this means, what transcribing means, that means this service is providing you with an audio file which contains some type of speech, and what you're going to do is just type it up. That's it. Extremely simple thing to do, extremely easy, and what is most importantly, it can be a really good job for you. And what's most importantly, you can do it wherever you want. You should just take projects when you need money and just get paid, and that's it. It's extremely simple thing to do and extremely lucrative. So all you need to do is just join as a transcriptionist right here. Press this one and start working. I'm just gonna log in and just show you how this thing works. So when you log in, you are going to need to take some exams in order to prove that actually you know and speak some English. Yeah, this is an only requirement actually to work here. You need to know English, and probably if you are listening to this video, you most likely know English, so that will not be a problem. And what you need to do is just take some exams. More exams you take, the better work you will have. So when you start from the very beginning, you can get paid, I think, up to $10 per hour in the very beginning. Just a quick disclaimer here, this is per audio hour. That means like if the 1 hour of audio length, you're gonna get paid $10. That means that if you work really slow, this is not thing for you. So if you need around 6 hours to transcribe 1 hour of text, 1 hour of audio, then that means you're gonna get paid $10 per 6 hours. If you don't need that, just don't do it, because you need to type a bit fast. And just if you cannot type really fast, just trust me, you can just try and just practice this one, and by the time you will become pretty quick, and it will take around hour and a half probably to type 1 hour of text. I know people who can transcribe like 1 hour text in 1 hour and 20 minutes, which is extremely fast and extremely good and extremely lucrative for them. In order to increase this price, you need to take some exams. These exams are extremely simple. What they are giving you is you just go to the exam info, you just get to the exam. Like, let me see, like right here, check exam info. You are seeing the guides, what you actually need to do, like reading a handbook, and just tick it off and just start exam. That's it. By the way, this is the quick step exam that you need actually to take, because this will increase your rank really high. It will get you to the higher levels, meaning that it will give you the longer text. Let me read somewhere. It's written somewhere here that you are going to get up to $40 per, yeah, right here. When you get this exam, you are going to get paid of rate per this files will be $40 per audio hour. This is what you need to do, and it's actually the second exam that you need to take. Until this exam you are going to be only doing a really small text, like so small audio files, like 1 minute, 2 minutes, and you can just do like really fast and just go through them and just get paid there. But all you need to do actually to pass the second exam in order to get really paid really good money, $40 per audio hour. If you're really average in this, you can get around $20 per work or hour actually, which is pretty nice in the most of the countries of the world. So this will be an easy way for you to get some extra cash for your needs. So that was it. That was extremely short extremely short and easy way to actually gain some money. For some reason, not a lot of people know about these ways. They think that you need to just be a huge influencer in order to make money, just have a YouTube channel of 60 million subscribers or Instagram account with like 450 million followers. That's not actually true. You need just a small amount of time in order to make some money on the internet. It's actually really simple. All you need to do is just keep looking and just keep working. And I hope that this video helped you. You can find some other transcription services as well, but from what I found, this Transcribeme is probably one of the best, and it is actually more than good enough in order for you to start practicing the skills or to make some money. So thank you for being with me. I hope you liked this video. Drop a like down below if you did, and drop a comment if you want more like small and short videos like this one in order to teach you like some things really fast, because I know that your time is money, my time is money, time is extremely valuable. So for that reason, saving and not wasting your time and my time will be the best thing with these videos. I hope you like this one, and I hope to see you in the next videos. See ya.